how to bring up siblings in a very affectionate manner. See, remember, most of us bring the sibling into this world with the only thought that the sibling should be available for each other. But what happens? The sibling, the younger one, is sleeping when the older one is arriving from school. What do? The younger one is sleeping, so don't disturb. But what happens? The older one says that you brought him or her only for me, but I don't have the right to play. So that is why allow the older sibling to wake up the junior. It does not matter, because when they wake up the junior gets into the rhythm that is decided by the older one. So when the older one falls asleep, the younger one also falls asleep. So the parents also get their full quota of night sleep much earlier when there is a sibling. So how do we avoid sibling rivalry? Always there is a saying, when there is one child we are a parent, but when there are two we become a referee. It is true, because we try to modulate the relationship between them. Let us allow the older one to hug, kiss, play with the junior. But when does the anger develop? Only when the older one receives lot of no comments, or lot of don't do comments, or lot of you are disturbing the younger one. These kind of comments when the older one receives, then they start understanding that my parents are extremely loving when only I was there. But when the second one came, they started telling me negative commands. Don't do this, don't interfere, come on, don't disturb. Only then they start thinking this arrival of the second one has been the reason for a negative interaction. So they start hating the younger one. So let us not give too many negative commands. Let us involve them in the care of the younger one. But let us not bring in the emotion unnecessarily. My older one was treasuring a particular object and this younger one broke it. When we add colors, that is when the older one starts hating the younger one. But let us remember, in our absence, the two siblings will be always lovey-dovey, looking after each other, and there will be time when you yourself will be surprised to know that the both are sitting and whiling away time with each other in a very, very happy manner. So let us not be a referee. Let us enjoy the interactions that happen between the siblings, so that there is not much of rivalry that is brought on by us.